Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. For those of you that do not know, this is my favorite clothing subscription box. I just think the quality's there and the prices are there. If you want to try Nadine West, I will have a $10 off code linked down below. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but I promise their prices are worth the $10. I was gonna go through and tell you guys my styling profile before we got started, but I cannot get the internet to work. Well, that's kind of inconvenient. So what I'm gonna do is link a video down below where I have gone through my styling profile for Nadine West. Without further ado, let's just unpackage. They really taped this one. I might need scissors.
Tiny scissors.
I see denim in here. Okay, so when you get it open, this is what it looks like. There's so many things in here compared to other boxes. I have 3 things. Oh, this one's open. We'll start with that one. So you just mail it back in the same package it came in, and you just place this sticker over the sticker they sent you. Because this one is already open, I'm gonna start with this one, but I also have 2 more. So the first thing we have is a dress. This is the Danielle Dress for $39.99. I think that is the most expensive thing I have ever received from Nadine West, if we're being honest. I actually really like this dress. I think it's really cute. It's really casual. What I don't like is I am not a fan of off-the-shoulder things. That's why I was throwing my arms up, because you throw your arms up and they go up. And like, you put the plates away and your shoulders go up, or like, I don't know, my hands go up a lot and then these go up, and I'm not a big fan of off the shoulder for that purpose. I do think this dress is really cute if you're just like posing and taking photos. However, I will be sending this dress back just strictly based off the fact that it is off the shoulder. The second thing that we have is also a dress. It is this zany dress for $24.99. I really like this shirt, dress. If I'm trying to be like an Insta baddie, like I feel like this is like a really like Insta baddie vibe dress. Like, it's a bright color, it's snug. However, I'm not the biggest fan of the length of it. I think it's a weird length for me because I'm short. Not because the dress is a weird length. It's because I'm short. If I was taller, then my legs would look longer and I think it'd look better. But because of that, I will be sending this dress back. The last thing I see in this package wrap, remember we still have 2 more, is a pair of shorts. And these are actually high-rise butt-lifting shorts. Okay, so these are the high-rise butt-lifting shorts in the color black. To be honest, I don't see much butt lifting going on here. I don't even really see a butt at all. Not having a butt does make me self-conscious, and I will be sending these shorts back, and I would like to say this is the most disappointed I have ever been with a Nadine West so far. Normally I start loving it right away, but we are only in the first package. I still have 2 more to go. On to the next. Okay, so the next 4 items I have to try on for y'all, which is everything from this little package wrap, is all shirts. So the first top we have is this Dorothy Dolleman's top for $23.49 in the color teal. I actually think this shirt is pretty cute. I think it's a good like transitioning to autumn, transitioning to fall shirt. It's mid-sleeve, loose but comfortable. Like, this is just like a good like throw on with your comfy pants, wear around the house, clean up, then throw on jeans and be able to go out in the same shirt. Like, it's just comfy, you can move around, but it's a pretty color. It still takes a basic pair of jeans and brightens them up a little bit, and I think that I will be keeping this shirt. So the next thing that we have is this up and go racerback tank top for $17.49. I think that is a great price for this top. I do think this top is just another like just throw on and go top. It has some color, it has some stripes, it's not just a plain white t-shirt, but at the same time, like, it's comfy, you just threw it on, it's great for just lounging around the house, you can sleep in this, you can throw this on over your bathing suit. Like, I do just think this is a good, like, just throw on and go shirt. For $17, I think that's a great price, and I think that I will be keeping this shirt. Next, we have this mustard and white vertical striped top for $24.49. I will definitely be keeping this shirt. This is a perfect work shirt. I just throw on a cardigan, cover my shoulders, and I can wear this shirt to work all day long. It's not solid white, it won't get super dirty, and also the material is very like satiny and cooling, so I will not get way too sweaty. I will definitely be keeping this shirt, and I will definitely be wearing this shirt to work tomorrow. And the last top we had in this package was this All the Rose tank top with the cross top for $24.49. I think that I'm actually going to keep this shirt, and I'm going to send back the coral and gray striped one for $17. I just like the color of this one more. I think this one's a little bit more practical for me. I like it with these jeans already. Like, just looking at it with these jeans, I think this is the perfect outfit for me, especially transitioning into fall. I'll just throw on a sweater, we'll be good to go. I think I will definitely be keeping this top, and I'll be sending the coral and gray striped one back. On to the next package. Next thing that I have in this package from Nadine West is the jewelry. I'm just gonna go ahead and be honest with you guys. I never keep the jewelry. I don't find it practical. They don't give you a way to select that you don't want the jewelry, so I just get it and I always send it back. The first thing we have are these Ariel earrings for $11.99, and they're just these gold studs. I do actually think these studs are really cute. I just don't find that I change my jewelry. I don't find it practical for me to just have jewelry because I don't change my jewelry. I wear the same earrings every day. I wear the same ring every day. Sometimes when my necklace is fixed, it's broken right now, but when it's fixed, I wear the same necklace every day. Like, it's just not practical that I'll change my jewelry, which is why I always send it back. I'm not saying it's never cute, it's just not a practical item for me. And we also have this Cable Fable bracelet for $16.99. I just don't think this is cute. Not only do I not change my jewelry, this is just like ugly. Why would anyone? I don't know, like, to each their own, but I would never wear this. It just looks like too chunky, and like this looks like they took a boy bracelet, like one of those bracelets boys get at the beach, and then put like gold things on it. This is, to me, this is ugly, and I'll definitely be sending it back. And last but not least, for jewelry, we have these I can't say it, earrings for $14.99. They're just like studs with hoops on them. Once again, it's not practical that I'll change my earrings, and also if I did, this is a big no-go for me. Like, my earlobes would be hanging down and I'd be uncomfortable. I'd take them out like an hour into wearing them. Dead serious. Every time I put on earrings like that, I take them out an hour into wearing them and I regret it. So I'll definitely be sending these earrings back. Now back on to clothing items. I'm not gonna try this on. These are just like a black pair of almost like Sophie shorts without the waistband. You remember when we were kids and we all wore Sophie shorts? They're $15. I'm definitely gonna keep these. I feel like you can never have enough shorts like this to just wear around the house, in your backyard. Like, I just feel like everyone needs things like these, and I will definitely be keeping these shorts. Okay, this dress is the tie-me back black dress for $24.99. I just had to tie it in the back, which made it a little bit hard to dress myself, but whatever. It's just this basic black dress. I actually really like the shape of this dress. I like the length. I think it's cute. It's nice and thin and comfortable, perfect for summer. This would be a great bathing suit cover. Like, I just think this dress is really cute. But I already have a black dress that I kept from Nadine West that I haven't worn yet, even though I really like it. I've worn it nowhere. So, excuse me, I'm burping. So I think that I will be sending this dress back. And the last two items I'm going to be trying on together because they are a shirt and shorts. Okay guys, first we're going to talk about the skirt. And I know I said it was a shirt and shorts, but I was wrong. It was a denim skirt. This denim skirt is $23.99. It's light denim. It's distressed. It is so cute. I have been wanting a denim skirt so bad, but I haven't been willing to buy one and then not like it. It's such a trend right now. I hope it doesn't go away because I'm way late. But this is so cute. I've wanted a denim skirt so bad, and I am definitely keeping this skirt. And last but not least, we have this gray tank top. This is called the Vinted top because your back is nice and vinted. Ha ha. This is called the Vinted top. It is $24.99. I think that this is really cute. I think it's a great way to stay cool when I weed whack the yard, because I do that now. I weed whack the yard. I'm cool. I think it looks cute with this skirt. I think this outfit together with a pair of sneakers would be so cute. And I am definitely keeping this top. Okay guys, that is it for this Nadine West video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep seeing me and ring the notification bell. Don't forget, if you want to get $10 off Nadine West, to use the link down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!